Hey guys, I'm here in another video. In today's video, we are gonna unbox iPhone 15 Pro Max 512 GB. And we bought it from Fido. And now I'm just gonna pull the box out. See the box. And they also gave us, and we also bought the cover. And see, the cover also looks good. And now we are gonna unbox the iPhone. You might be wondering why is the box open. The box is open before because the Fido employee had to do something. And see this. This is blue titanium, and all of the 15 Pro Max this year are gonna be from titanium. And now let's open this. Whew, look at the screen. So much clear. So now, and see this. This is oh, see, this is the pin. Okay, let's see the charger now. It's kind of the wire for the charger. And now, see, it's the Apple logo. And these might be the instruction. Now I'm gonna turn the phone on. And you see this? I'm just gonna see. So guys, now I opened it. Let's just see. So this is the SIM slot. And now we'll put it back. And guys, we'll put SIM later on, and I'm just gonna switch on the phone and show it to you. That is SIM slot. So see. Why is it not turning on? So now it turned on. I'm just waiting, and it's still coming as the logo. And see, now it opened. Let's click English and Canada, and now continue. Set up without another device, sure, yes. And guys, we are just the last thing we're gonna do is to connect the network. And guys, we'll set it up later. So now we are gonna check the cover out. See this? Ooh, like a door. Ooh, it looks good. Now let's get this out. It's kind of stuck over there, and it's finally out. And now let's take it out. Oh, what is happening? Now I pulled it out. See. And I think we got an Apple logo before. It's for over here, I think. And now let's put it on my phone. See this. It fits. It has to. See, it looks cool with that. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.